Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn ERP usage in real world. How different ERP solutions are being used in real world. ERP usage is basically categorized according to their usage. So these are the three categories of ERP. ERP system is used by the type of industry. Secondly, ERP system is used by the company size and deployment. So first we will see ERP systems by industry. That means how various industries are using ERP systems as a solution for their services. So there are some vendors available which are providing the ERP software specifically according to type of industry. The industries such as manufacturing industry, healthcare industries, construction industries, software industries, or any other type of industry. So I have mentioned here three examples: manufacturing, healthcare, and construction. In manufacturing industry, the ERP solution which is provided by the vendor named as Infor Cloud Suite Industrials, which is an example for ERP systems and which is being used by manufacturing companies. Second example in healthcare is Allscript ERP solution, which is offered by the vendor Allscripts and specifically which is used by different healthcare and hospital industries. Third one is construction. In construction, ERP solution is offered by Penta and which is used by different constructions companies and contractors. This is according to ERP systems used by various industries. The second category which we discussed was company size. Uh, as you know, the company size is represented in various type. Here which I mentioned in three different variations. First is small and medium sized in businesses, small and medium sized enterprises, and large enterprises. So what is small and medium sized businesses? So small and medium sized businesses where they are having employees less than hundreds. For those kinds of small and medium sized businesses, ERP solutions are provided uh, ec- uh, by SysPro ERP software solution, and which is only used by the companies which are having employees less than 100. And due to this, the functionalities and prices are both less according to the type of business. Second is small and medium size enterprises. Mm, so those kinds of enterprises, there is one solution which we all know is Microsoft Dynamic, which is provided by Microsoft. And Microsoft Dynamics provides ERP solution where the employee size is in between 100 to 1000 employees. So that is a large number we can say. And third type is, or third example is large enterprises, where these large enterprises providing solutions where uh, they are having employees more than thousands. Now, more than thousand employees meaning is that uh, the company is spread across the whole globe and they are having different offices located at different locations like different countries or different cities, and they need to keep synchronization between those companies, those departments, and for that the good ERP solution available, the vendor is available, which is SAP and Oracle vendor, and these are very famous vendors which are used by many large scale enterprises and businesses. So this is according to company size. And now ERP systems used by the companies depending on the type of deployment. Type of deployment is as type of installation, in which type the company needs to install the business. The company needs to install the ERP system. So there are three different ways of deployment. on-premises, cloud, and hybrid. So on-premises is a basic where you will find a standalone system acting as a server, and on that server ERP solution is installed. That means on the standalone server we can create one data warehouse which is centrally located, and the software is installed on that server, and from that server all the organizations employees are accessing the data. Second is cloud. So we can install it on cloud also, but when we say on the cloud, that means the data is stored on a server, but that server is outside the organization, outside the company, and that is why to access that data we need internet connectivity. And third one is hybrid. Hybrid is on premises as well as cloud. So some functionalities are available on premises, that means to the local server, and some functionalities are available on the cloud, that means to the server which is located at um, outside the company. So now we know how ERP systems are installed in various enterprises according to types. So there is one case study where LG Electronics, we are going to study case study of LG Electronics, in which previously what was the problem they were facing, and now after installing or using ERP system, what benefits they got. So LG Electronics is having more than 82,000 employees across the 40 countries, and some challenges came across with them. The challenges are like decision making, problem with decision making, transparency, resource utilization, employee trainings. So these were the problems, and to achieve those goals, they used Oracle technology, where Oracle technology was providing data mart, performance management systems, and e-learning portals. So all the problems which occurred previously are managed by the Oracle technology as listed here. You can read it all. And in the same way, another case study is of Fuse energy drink. You can just go through the Fuse energy drink case study related to ERP system. Again, they were having same problems, and those are resolved by ERP solution, and now they are with a good benefits and decision making skill. Thanks a lot.